You know, one of the smartest ways that I've learned to turn a situation around, a bad situation around, and I mean really turn it around, is to seek advice from someone who genuinely cares about your success. Now, I'm not talking about venting to a friend, a family member, or even your significant other. I'm talking about something much more powerful, getting a mentor. You know, a mentor is someone who's been where you want to go, someone who's already navigated the challenges, made the mistakes, and learned the lessons. They're more than just a coach. They're your guide, your trusted advisor, and your biggest supporter. A mentor shares their experience. They give you honest feedback, and they help you avoid those pitfalls, the pitfalls that can set you back and maybe even further back. They're in your corner, and they're rooting for you to succeed. You know, I don't know a single successful person, and in my life, my business life, my personal life, I don't know a single successful person who didn't or doesn't have a mentor, at least one mentor. And there are some rock solid reasons why having a mentor can change your life. And really, I'll just say this, be the game changer that you need. They help you level up your skills. This is one great reason why I think having a mentor can be helpful. You want to earn more? Then you've got to offer more. A mentor can quickly pinpoint where you need to improve and guide you on which skills to build. No wasted time, no guesswork, just smart, targeted advice that gets you closer to those higher paying roles. Another reason why I think a mentor is a great idea, they open doors to new connections. It's not just about what you know, it's who you know. And a good mentor, they know people. They can introduce you to their network, opening up opportunities you might never have found on your own. You know, to me, it's always been just like a backstage pass to meet the right people who can help you take your career to the next level. They also can give you honest, real-world feedback. Let's be real. I want to be real. Sugar-coated feedback doesn't help me, doesn't help you. Sugar-coated feedback doesn't help anyone. A mentor tells you what you need to hear, not just what you want to hear. That kind of honest, no-nonsense feedback, it helps you improve faster. And when you're more skilled and you're more confident, better paying jobs just start to come your way. They can also boost your confidence to speak up. If you've ever felt too nervous to ask for a raise, and I think some of us, maybe all of us, have been there at one point, maybe when we were younger. But if you've ever felt too nervous to ask for a raise or put yourself forward for a new role, if you've ever felt that way, a mentor will help you see your strengths and give you the confidence to stand up and say, I deserve better. And guess what? When you believe it, others will believe it too. That often means more money and more respect. A mentor can also help you create a winning game plan. That to me has always been important. I need that roadmap. If you're feeling lost or stuck or just not sure where to go next, a mentor can help you map out a clear strategic plan. They know how to set realistic goals, anticipate obstacles, and guide you through the tough decisions. With their help, you're not just drifting. You're moving towards a better, more rewarding job, one step at a time. And the bottom line is this. You don't need to be stuck. You don't need to live paycheck to paycheck, or worse, Social Security check to Social Security check. You deserve better than that, and you know it. So raise your standards, raise your expectations, because the only thing that is holding you back right now is the choice to do nothing. And the good news, that choice is entirely yours to make. Well, there you go, my friends. That is all I've got for you today. And maybe it's a little bit more than you were expecting when you clicked on this video. But again, I will say, if you're stuck in a dead-end job, if you're not getting the pay or the respect you deserve, it's time to make a change. Consider hiring a mentor, someone who can help you. And I will tell you this, I'll share this with you. In my darkest times of my life, I had a mentor to guide me through. And without that mentor, it's hard to say where I would be today, but that is the honest truth. And I hope you'll take that to heart. Well, if you like what you heard today, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I do have some offers in the description box of this video. I've got my side hustle starter kit. If you're looking to start a side hustle, I've got the free version. There's also a paid version, a video version, which I think could offer a lot of help. I also have the Over 50 TV Plus program, the membership that's in there as well. Some other stuff that's free. Check it out. If you've got any questions, you're always welcome to contact me, send me an email, or make a comment in the comment box. Well, as I always say, have a great day, everybody.